Hi guys, it's my pleasure today to take you on a tour of Autohaus Hamilton. I'm Geelan, the owner. Yeah, let's come on inside and check it all out. Okay, so here we have our service reception. This is where customers bring their cars in and they'll hop out and book in their vehicle with Chris, and he'll take all their details and we'll check the car in. It then gets passed on to the service advisor or the service workshop foreman, who then passes out the jobs to the individual techs. And yeah, so we'll take a further look inside. On this side of our workshop, we have 3 hoists, or 3 bays, if you like, and they are basically for mainly day-to-day servicing of all the modern vehicles, what we call modern Porsche vehicles. So majority of work that gets done on this side of the shop is all day-to-day service work. That's anything from changing oil to replacing tyres, brakes, all that sort of thing. So yeah, that's what happens over here. We'll move on to the next section down the back. Down in this corner of the shop, this is our sort of our fabrication / dirty area. This is where we will do any machining or grinding or lathe work or fabrication work on bodies, or preparation for panel shop work or any of the sort of motorsporty fabrication type stuff. That's where it's carried on over here. Just behind me over here is our oil store, where we keep all our bulk oils and all the oils for the transmission fluids, everything that we need to keep these things running in tip-top shape. In this corner of the shop, we have restoration. This is where we disassemble and reassemble vehicles for restoration. So mainly this area is dedicated to that, and then we have a store upstairs where we store all the parts that we remove in preparation for being restored and brought back and then put back onto the car after it's been to the panel shop. So this is assembly, disassembly, restoration area. Over on this side of the workshop, we have another 3 hoists, which we use for more long-term work, more pulling engines out, transmissions out, all that sort of thing, where we're doing a lot more multiple day type work. So a lot of the multiple day work gets carried over on this side of the shop. We'll move on. This is our, this just here is our hoist for wheel alignment. So we use this hoist to do four wheel alignments. Also corner weighting and all that sort of thing. This was built specifically so that you could get a really low car on here in order to do specific wheel alignment jobs, especially on the GT type Porsches. So it's a nice bit of kit. Come on into the engine room. So in here is where we perform all the engine and transmission rebuilding. A lot of it gets done, specifically engines and transmissions really. So just a specialised room, trying to maintain a good stable temperature in here and keep it relatively clean, so it's all a very, very clean working sort of surgical type environment. So pretty cool place. That's it. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. So thanks for watching, and catch you soon.